Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well. I know I haven't been on YouTube for a minute, but just to let everybody know, I'm good and well, and I hope you are too. I just wanted to do a quick and casual video of what I got for my birthday. And it is a piece from Louis Vuitton, so I'll go ahead and do the quick reveal. And I got the Neverfull MM. Ah, the Neverfull MM in the monogram print with the cherry rouge interior. There it is with all its glory. It is so beautiful. This is a bag I've been wanting for a while, and when I say a while, I mean a while. And I'm really happy I was able to purchase it before the price increase because I know a lot of people, as well as myself, saw the big price increase, which happened, what, October 1st? Because I believe it went up, like, I think €100 here in France. I don't know how much it went up everywhere else, but yeah, it was, I mean, yeah, I'm happy I was able to add this to my collection. And I know, like, I was having, not issues, but I wasn't, I don't know, with my Neverfull GM in the monogram with the untreated leather. I know I was like iffy about that bag, and I did sell that bag for that reason. But it's just a bag. I kind of regret selling that bag, but you know, it is what it is. What's done is done. But I knew I wanted it in this cherry rouge interior. It's beginning to like the creases are ready to come out of it, but yeah, it's I'm really excited to use this bag. I haven't been able to use it just right yet, just because here in France the weather is off and on rainy, sunny, and it's sunny, pretty sunny right now, but you know that could change in an hour. So that's why I haven't really been able to take this bag out as much as I wanted to, but I have been like playing around with it and like trying it on with different outfits and everything, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I did go ahead and treat this bag with, I believe it's called Carbon Pro here in France because we don't have Apple Guard, but I went ahead and treated it with that, and you know, so far so good. Again, I haven't been able to use it, but it fits really well over my shoulder. I'm just wearing like a little sweater right now, and it fits really well. Like there's still a good amount of space, even when I'm wearing a bigger jacket or a lighter jacket, it still has a lot of space, like for it to be comfortable. And I do have just a simple bag shaper. This is the company I always use. It's off of eBay. It's called Lumen Tree, and it's just a felt organizer, and I use it in pretty much all my bags, like my Speedies, my Neverfull GM, and I did go ahead and get a organizer for it, nylon organizer. And what I like about this one is that it does have a zip top, which is detachable. I was a little like not disappointed, but that the pockets were on the outside. I wish they were on the inside, but in this one on the sides, it does have a, like, where is it? Ah, oh, it's on the side. It does have a, like, this giant side pocket as well as this giant zip compartment, which I like. And I don't mind the fact that it doesn't have any really pockets on the inside. And it has these little handles, part of the detachable part. But I don't mind that the pockets on the outside. I don't mind that the pockets are on the outside, because if I do have it zipped up, and it is pretty tall, which I like, I can slip my phone. I can slip a hand sanitizer. I can slip probably not my wallet. I'll probably keep the wallet inside the organizer or in the back pocket, because I do use compact wallets. But if I do need to use a longer wallet, I'll just stick it in here. And everything fits really well. On this side, I can put, you know, a pen or something. I don't know. But I don't know. I haven't really used these sides, but it fits. It fits really well inside. And the fact that it does zip on the top, I really do like that feature. And the nylon organizer was around, I would believe, $7. Yeah, I like bags with the red interiors. I don't know why. I'm a sucker for it. Anytime there's a red interior, I usually will gravitate towards that. But I absolutely love this red interior, and I feel it gives it a little bit of something extra, and I'm just really happy I was able to get it. And I'm not going to go too much into the bag, like details and everything, just because I feel like there's a lot of videos here on YouTube, like really informative videos. I mean, what else can you, what more could I add, or what more could I say about the Neverfull MM? The fact that, you know, you can cinch in the sides, you have the pouch, you have the back pocket. I mean, it's gonna darken over time, which is something I'm gonna learn to appreciate and love. And it's a journey I'm ready to take. The Neverfull will always be a classic, and that's what I like to buy. I like to buy classic pieces. I do go, you know, further or venture out from that, but when it comes down to it, I love classic pieces. I'm really happy I have this bag. I love it. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. Like, and I don't care what other people say about this bag. I love it. And if you love it and you want it, go for it. Even with this price increase, it's still a beautiful bag. And again, I feel like the MM, perfect size for every day. GM, love it. And you know, I will probably go ahead and cinch it to make it a smaller bag, which is a look that I really liked when I was using my Neverfull GM. To be able to cinch the sides in, I thought it gave it a cool look. I don't know, I like it. And I really like this bag organizer, the fact that I can zip the top on it. And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really excited to use this bag. Yeah, so. So here's how the bag looks. For reference, I am 5'9". It looks really good. Fits comfortably. And again, as the handles soften, it's gonna get more comfortable. And I know it looks nice. And here it is on the crook of my arm. And here it is with an even lighter jacket. This is like a windbreaker, I think. It looks good. Here's how it looks with a bigger, like, with a winter coat. And this coat's meant to feel like a little oversized, but it still fits underneath my arm comfortably and securely. And yeah, I think it looks good. And again, if I need to like that, maybe. And that was just my small reveal of my Neverfull MM. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.